Hello everyone, welcome to All About Graphics and Creativity. I'm your instructor and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for further notifications and videos. So, our today's video topic is how to create a pop art. Yes, a pop art movement that emerged in the UK and USA first time in the midst of 1950. Royal Lichtenstein was the first person who developed a pop art. Why we create a pop art and which colors are used in this? So we are discussing about it furtherly in our video. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Basically, a pop art is based on a comic strip, as you can see in this image, which you can see in this video. So it was a style that was fine in its format, a black outlines and bold color and tones. So without wasting any single moment, let's get started the video. So here you can see a artboard, which is a 15 by 15 inches artboard. If you are not watching my previous video, then the link is in the description below, so you can go and check it out, my last previous videos. So first of all, you can see that here are a few dots. Yeah, so with the help of these dots I create a pop art. So this is not difficult to create. These are created with the help of brush. You can create any dot style like this. Here I choose this brush, as you can see. So you can create different style brushes, but I use this to create a pop art. Increase the size of this, as you can see, like this. And now what I have to do is to increase the stroke of these brushes dots, not too much, but like this. Yeah, like this. As you can see, I created different dots in different style in vertical and horizontal way. You can also create these dots according to your pop art style. So now what I have to do is to create, with the help of Alice tool, I create a circle, but a very round circle. You can see it's an oval circle. Yes, with the help of ellipse tool I create an oval circle, and now in ellipse tool I colored it a black and white. As you can see, I fill up with a white color like this. And now what I have to do, with the help of pen tool I create two anchor points with this and this, and create a cone shape. Now this is look like a cloud, a thinking cloud like. So now I select both at the same time, go to align tool, pathfinder tool, now merge these both. Now this is just like one object. Yes, you can, as you can see that this is just like one object. Now I create a copy of this, increase the size of this, color it black, and now move it to on the back side. Right click, arrange and send to back. Yes, like this. As you can see, the outer line is look like totally black. Now put this cloud like this, exactly like this. Merge them both into group. Right click this, arrange this, bring to front, exactly like this. Now go to rectangle tool, create a rectangle in the size of artboard like this. You can create any other shape if you want to create like this. And now I colored it blue, but of course you can see like this. You can also give some sort of dark color into it, like this. Yeah. So here is our pop art background is ready. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Stay tuned for further videos. Thank you so much.